The universe is big. If we were to travel a small distance at our current fastest speed, it would take us 20,000 years. Obviously, we have to find a way to go faster. But how? This is the Alcubierre Warp Drive. A spaceship is enclosed inside a bubble of space while it's being pushed by space itself. But how does it work? Long ago, Einstein proved that gravity was just the geometric warping of space-time, and that space-time is malleable and can curve or warp. Keep that in mind. What this guy, Miguel Alcubierre, did was that he manipulated the geometry of space-time so that it would expand in the back and contract in the front, thus pushing the bubble which moves the ship. You can think of it like surfing. Now you might be wondering, why is space warping in the first place? Well, let's see how Alcubierre got there first. This is an Einstein field equation. Generally, we would solve these by putting in a physically possible distribution of mass and energy on the right, and it would give us the space-time geometry on the left. Alcubierre solved this backwards. After figuring out the geometry of the warp bubble, he got what was required to make the warp bubble. Yes, Einstein did in fact tell us nothing could travel faster than the speed of light. And he was right. But you see, this only applies to things, that is, mass, energy, and information, traveling through space. It does not apply to space itself. Well, if you did the maths, you'd find that we need something known as negative energy, which sadly does not exist. Furthermore, you need more of the negative energy than there is positive mass in the entire observable universe. So, are warp drives even a possibility, or are they just science fiction? Well, after many reworkings, including the contributions of NASA's Advanced Propulsion Team or EagleWorks, the amount of negative energy required was brought down to mere kilograms. The only issue being that negative energy does not exist yet. Some scientists tried to work with positive energy as well, but again, what they found was that you needed more of it than there was mass in the entire observable universe. So, either you need so much energy that it's not possible, or a type of energy that does not exist yet. Some recent papers have been very promising though, and have changed the future for warp drive physics. Scientists have introduced concepts such as time dilation and have even redesigned the shape of the warp bubble to make this idea come to life. So, yeah, warp drives are right around the corner.